If you're doing this question and everything is drawn to scale or accurately, then you should find that when you measure from P to Q, that it's 11.6 centimeters. Okay, plus or minus maybe a millimeter for you, but that's what it should be. So if you didn't get that, your answer's going to be slightly different. You might want to just check that the method is there at the very least. So we see that 1 centimeter represents 125 kilometers. So to go from centimeters to kilometers, we're going to times by 125. Therefore, because I've measured from P to Q 11.6 centimeters, I'm going to take that 11.6 and I'm going to times that by 125. And we get 1450 kilometers. We're now being asked for the average speed, which is distance over time. We've got the distance, it's 1,450 kilometers. What's the time? Well, we need to work out from 9:47 to 12:07. If I add on 2 hours, then that will get me to 11:47. And then I can see it's just another 20 minutes to get to 12:07. So it's going to be 2 hours and 20 minutes. And that's going to be 2 1/3 hours because 20 over 60, that's the fraction of an hour, is equal to 2 over 3. Sorry, 20 over 60 is 2 over 6, which is 1 over 3. So I can take my 1,450 and I can divide that by 2 1/3. Right, you got to be really careful when you if you write 2 and then write it's just and then you try the fraction button, I don't know, it all kind of goes wrong. What the best thing to do is you press shift in the fraction button and it brings up the mixed number button. That's a good way to go. Or you could write 2.33333 and your calculator can deal with that as well. But here's what we get, 621.428. I'll just round it to the nearest whole number, 621 kilometers per hour. Of course, if you measured slightly differently, you've got a different distance, it'll be very, very similar, but not quite the same. The main thing is this method. Once you've got your distance, you divide them by 2 1/3. Give a reason why answer may be inaccurate. Well, here's a few from the mark scheme. So it may not have flown in a straight line, in which case the distance will be further. It may have been diverted. So other sensible reasons such as that.